Hey, how's it going? What's up, guys and gals? Hope you're having a wonderful day. I was saying go on your way, whatever that be going. So today we're gonna do a challenge. We have these two gentlemen over here. Come, let's see these gentlemen. We got, what's your name, bro?
Joe.
What?
My name's Joe.
We got Joe.
I'm Danny.
Joe and Danny. And what they're gonna do is they're gonna attempt to eat a Big Mac meal, a medium, in under 1 minute. That's what the agreement. And if they can, they get $500 cash money. And if they can't, well, they get $50 for finish first. I'm just gonna pick it up. Is that cool? I won't drop it. If I drop it, I'll buy it. Cash money. We got Joe. Then we got Danny. Joe, what will you do if you win $500, bro?
Start a strip club.
Hey! And Danny, what will you do if you win $500?
I need an exhaust.
That's fair. That's a good modification. Okay, all right. The rules are simple. They can basically do whatever. They shove the fries in the water, the burger in the water, curled up into a ball. Anything that allows them to get it all down. Okay. And if you vomit, obviously, you know that doesn't work. So it went off again. Okay. All right. Ready? Set. Go. Hey, damn, you guys are quick. Get them. You guys are doing good. 5 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Damn. Wow. 15 seconds left. Well, time. You're so what? Alright, you guys can keep going though. This is fucking monster. $50. You getting them both? Hanging on both of them. Yeah, you gotta get all the lettuce. Make sure you get it all. He saved some water to wash it down.
I'm not even there.
Yeah?
That's done.
Nice, nice. You did it in basically 2 minutes.
That's a lot. That's hard.
Alright, so Danny, you finished first, bud.
Thank you.
Good job.
It was a tough challenge.
I mean, you're a minute.
Hey, a minute is...
Yeah, you know, it's fair.